Hi crafters, today we are reviewing squishies and cutting their guts open to make slime. Make sure you watch the whole video as I'm announcing a giveaway for reaching 2,000 subscribers. If you'd like to join the giveaway and haven't subscribed yet, mash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Now let's get into it. The first squishy we're going to review is this sugar cube fidget by Mania. I'm pretty sure this is the viral one, so I'm super excited to review this one today. The sugar cubes come in many different colors, but I really like this purple one. She is so beautiful. I think this one's gonna be the most satisfying one to play with. You can make many different shapes and it's really squishy. Cool thing about this one is it returns to the cube shape and she has a good stretch. I bought an extra large bucket of these glitter squishies, but we're just going to review 4 today. I've got Mr. Hedgehog here. I just had to do a smell test there. I love him. I think he's super cute. And what name should we call him? Comment down below. Next up is Mr. Whale, and I really love how each of these come in really cool colors. They are satisfying to squish. And since you get 12 in a pack, I think these are worth it. Mr. Krabs is super cute. These squishies are quite sticky to touch. Last one before we open our squishy balls, Mr. Rabby. I think Mr. Rabby is my favorite one out of these animal squishies. Another thing is they all have a super cute face. Check out Mr. Rabby's buns. Now for the most exciting part, the 5-pack of squish balls. I like how they have something different in each of them, and that's why I picked this one up. I'm super excited to cut them open after this and see if we can make slime out of them. The first one is this orange one and it's called a whooshy. Don't ask me what that is. But he's got like floaty gel things inside that makes it really satisfying to squish. I think this pink one is the foam squishy. It feels soft to touch, not really like a normal squishy, but it's still really satisfying. Next up is the water bead squishy, or what others call it like Orbeez. This texture to squish is really the most satisfying out of all the squishies. Next up we have this baby pink squishy. I don't know what I expected, but it definitely wasn't this. This squishy is actually my favorite one and I couldn't stop playing with it. Last squishy to review is this purple dough squishy. It feels nearly the same as the foam one, but she's still nice. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for being a subscriber, and now let's do a giveaway. Comment down below which color squishy you would like with the phrase I love squishies. Alongside your squishy, I'm giving away 2 slime pots as well, so make sure to enter. Now let's cut these squishies open. Enjoy some squishy ASMR. Check out the baby pink color that the squishies have made the slime turn into. Add in some saline solution to make it actual slime. Now you're going to see the squishies actually transform into slime. I'm just going to mold the mixture with my hands to actually incorporate all of the ingredients in together. Those little gel beads went everywhere, so that wasn't actually a good idea. She's thick and ready to be played with now. I didn't think it was going to work, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised. So if you wanted to make slime out of your squishies, just know it would probably work. 24 hours later, let's see what it looks like in the day. That foam is going to give great ASMR. She is quite sticky though, so if you wanted, you could add more saline solution. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!